Okay, welcome to this 2-minute tutorial on long division, the first steps to long division. So let's take a look here. So we have the problem 864 divided by 2. Here is our saying, does McDonald's sell burger Sundays? What? Or divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, start over. So the first thing we're going to do is ask a what question. What times 2 equals 8? Where am I getting that from? What times 2 equals 8? So what would you put in there to fill it in? That's right, 4. Okay? Because 4 times 2 equals 8. So you always put the answer on the top. How do I remember that? Because the what question is on the top. So the next thing we do is multiply. And I always like to say touch it, because it helps kids remember when they physically touch it. So watch me touch it. 4 times 2 equals what? 8. So I just multiplied. I just divided. I just multiplied. Next, I'm going to subtract. So here's a subtraction problem. 8, take away 8 is 0. Now is this weird one. I'm going to change colors to bring down. Okay? Bring down, always use your arrow. Pull down the 6 right next to the 0. And then after bring down, look at the arrow shows me go back up and start over. Start over with what? With another what question. What times 2? It will always be 2 because we're dividing by 2. What times 2 equals 6? What would you put in there? Yep, a 3. Remember, the answer to the what question is always on the top. So we say 3. Touch it, right? Because we just divided. Now we're on multiply. Touch it. 3 times 2 equals 6, or 0, 6. What comes next? Subtract. 6 take away 6 is 0. Bring down, use a long arrow to pull your 4 right down next to the 0. And what do? Start over one more time with another what question. Let me switch colors quick. Go back to, how about yellow? Kind of weird. What times 2, remember it's always times 2, equals, what do we have down here this time? Equals 4. So what would you put in the blank? 2. Remember, the answer always goes on top. We just divide it. Whenever you divide, you have to go through all the steps. Multiply. 2 times 2 equals 4. Subtract. You get 0. Now, what's after subtract? Bring down. But look, there's no other numbers over here to bring down. So that's how you know you're done. What is the quotient? The quotient, or the answer to 864 divided by 2 is 432. Wait. 432.